I get so many questions about how I do my eyebrows because, as you can see, I hardly have any thanks to the 90s. I mean, how rude. But I'm going to show you guys exactly how I get my brows so that if you are a product of the 90s, you can get them too. This is the Morphe brow pencil. It's the micro one. And this is in the color Cold Brew. Even though my hair is blonde, this is like the perfect color if you have a cool toned root. Like my roots are naturally like ash blonde, like a dark, dirty ash blonde. And so my brows are kind of that color as well. I used to use taupe, but I don't feel like it didn't define as well. So I just kind of like brush this all along the base. And then I very gently carve out like the top just a little bit, but not so much. I like to pull the tail kind of like out and up. I feel like it just lifts the face a little bit better, especially if you have like hooded eyes like I do. I don't know, I feel like it just gives me like a little bit of a facelift. Sometimes they're even, sometimes they're not. This is amazing. This is the Maybelline Super Lock. It's just like their clear one. I think it's just called, I don't know, there's no color, it's just clear. I feel like some of them just, I don't know, man. They just look a bit too much, you know what I mean? This one holds them in place really nicely without being like flaky or white or looking like absolute trash. And I just kind of like brush. I used to like go get my eyebrows tinted and laminated and trimmed and all this stuff, but then I felt like it started making my eyebrows like fall out. So I stopped because I don't really have a whole lot to like work with in the first place. The last thing that I need is to lose more brows. So I kind of just brush them up a little bit in the front, but not too much. Try to keep it a little bit more like flatter towards this part. Okay, this is where you're gonna take the NYX Lift and Snatch. It's like their little pen. This is the color Ash Brown. I can't see. I'm just going to add little tiny strokes. Just like that in the front so that it's not like super obvious. And then I just go through and just add little ones just like this. So that it looks like you actually have hairs, but you don't. There's nothing there. I will say with this pen, once it starts drying out, it's crap. So like make sure you don't keep it too long because when they start going, it's like literally so impossible to get the look you want because it doesn't like do it precisely. Mine's really old. I need to get a new one. I would say I get one like every maybe like 4 months or so. But I basically just add like little strokes in wherever I think they would normally be. I'm trying a new blush today. It's actually so pink and delightful. Feeling very Valentine's-y. I'll come back when my makeup is all finished. Okay guys, here is the finished look with my makeup completely done. And that's what the brows look like. So you would never think that I didn't have any brows. Like I literally, my brow stops about here and then the rest is fake. So yeah, there's how I do my brows. Hopefully that helps. All really affordable drugstore products. And they last me a super long time. And the color I think matches my roots perfectly. So thumbs up for finally finding brow products that work.